So, dapat, yung pagmamahal niya, sing-init ng kape mo. Bakit? Malamig ba? Hi, I'm Katrina Giselle and I'm a van lifer. Joke! Today, I'm gonna show you my DIY coffee and wine bar. Me and my brother made this about months ago, but I haven't really finished it because aside from me having 2 jobs, I'm always out of town on weekends, char. It's not new to you that I love coffee and wine, right? So today it's just right that I show you my own bar. It's a simple wine bar. Anybody can follow this one. Like, it's really easy. I'm gonna show you how it's done first and then let's decorate it, okay? For this one, I just bought a piece of wood at City Hardware. It's around 300 pesos only, and then I cut it into 4 pieces and then attach the other 2 like that, and then screw it here. This one I made a mistake on this one, so you just screw it, then there. That's very simple. It's now a rack. On this side, of course, I didn't make this. I bought this one. It's removable actually. I can't remove it. I bought this at Hypermart for around 150 pesos, and then I added the framing. I added a framing. It's one of the used wood, or an old wood, because I wanted to have this rustic feel of my bar. And then to stabilize it, be really stable because you're gonna be having wine here, I have a used TV rack, so I use it to stabilize it. Then there, it's very steady. And on this side, carve it so I could add some wine glass to it. Now here, this is an old sewing machine. The metal part, I repainted it with black, and then this side, since it was really old, I covered it with some wallpaper that matches the old plywood. Well, this one no longer works, but my mom doesn't want to throw this upper part away. Okay, so let's decorate it now. Let's start with the coffee bar. We have here lots of teas. This one here, a coffee maker box, and this is around 60 pesos at Novo. I have 3 of these jars. We're gonna add some marshmallows, cookies, the cookie jar, some instant coffee if they wanted something instant for coffee creamer and coffee. And now we're gonna start with our wine bar. Let's start with the glass. Does it light? I really love this. This is only 130 pesos at also Novo. The ceramic is at 40 pesos. This is the wine. That's my DIY coffee and wine bar. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching it or you've learned a lot from it. As I told you, it's really simple. You can do this on your own. So just stay tuned for my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. Thank you so much.